Okay, we're recording now.
Cool. Hi. Hello. Hi. This is Ananda and Ramaji, and we want to talk about the value of getting RASA, as well as what we found is very relevant in how long it takes for a person to awaken when they're getting regular RASA. Ramaji and I both teach together as well as separately, and we both have had our own experience with the various students, how long this seems to take. So we felt that if we give you guys a basic guideline, remembering that everyone's unique, anyone can awaken at any point. It isn't really up to us. It's not up to you. And what the rasa does is it basically speeds up the process. So let's ask Ramaji. I really do. I'd like to know from Ramaji. I think it's important everybody hears from him. How long would you say it takes for the general student to awaken, in your opinion and in your experience?
Well, Ross is not for everybody. We're not just you can just take somebody out of anybody's satsang and give them rasa and they'll wake up. We really are specializing in people who are at end of seeking. And in your at end of seeking, then you are really available to be finished. Because seeking is seeking and finishing is finishing. They're actually two different things. We're here to finish people so that they're done and then they can go live their lives no longer as seekers, but as themselves.
So can I intervene with another question?
Yeah.
Cool. Because what I'm seeing is that I would say the quality of the person that comes to us recently is not only the person who's at the end of seeking. I mean, yes, the majority of them are, but a lot of them are people that seem to be kind of really wanting to wake up, really recognizing kind of that something is amiss. And it's almost this deep yearning to be themselves, act according to their own nature and all that. And they're figuring out via looking on YouTube and finding us somehow through people or through other teachers, and they seem to want to awaken quickly. So would you say that it's only the people at the end of seeking, or that maybe things are shifting now?